Are you stressed and lacking sleep? You feel it, but your saliva can show it. Did you know that saliva testing is a convenient, non-invasive method to assess key hormones that influence how well you sleep and handle stress? Your body is continuously exposed to a combination of physical, mental, and environmental factors that may cause stress and sleep disturbances. Discover the ease of checking your hormone levels from home with LifeLabs Hormone Health Sleep and Stress Kit. Monitoring salivary cortisol, melatonin, and DHEAS is a gold standard measure of your response to stress and helps identify hormonal imbalances that impact overall health. With just a simple saliva test taken from the comfort of your home, you can gain valuable insights into your hormone health and take proactive steps towards maintaining your sleep and managing stress. This convenient kit includes free shipping, access to online results, and a personalized virtual medical consult if your results are out of range. Proactively manage burnout and improve sleep cycles with a reliable, non-invasive, and convenient saliva test from the comfort of your home.